Oh no! Why does this robot keep shutting down?
Blah, 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 blah.
Ollie, are you still working on that robot?
Yes, but it's not working. I think there's a problem in the circuit.
Let me see. Maybe I can help you. I think this wire is loose.
Really? I didn't notice that.
If you solder it properly, the robot might start working again.
I'll solder it. Right now. Let's see what happens now.
I think it will work this time.
Hello! System activated. Hello, Ollie. And Sarah.
Wow! It's working.
See? Teamwork always helps.
You're right. If you hadn't come, I might still be looking for the problem.
Moral of the story. When people work together, even difficult problems can be solved easily.